phenomenon that is induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take psychopathology, parapsychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream. A number of different parapsychological phenomena are augmented, modified, and altered. And then you have to take areas of philosophy into consideration. During mania, a manic episode may take on a number of different philosophical ideology, like solipsism or animism, implement a spirit and a soul into tangible or intangible, organic or inorganic, animate and inanimate. Or you might take a panentheism, or panpsychism, or hylozoism, by attributing all of physical reality to possessing some level of